Hello there. Welcome back to Carmageddon Max Pack No Repair Challenge. Um, Last time I was a little bit too quiet. Now it should be fixed. And something else. Oh yeah, recovery. I uh, I did not press the button to recover. No, I was going to the in the menu and press recover. But now I'm going to press insult. That's recovery. So yeah, let's start the race then. Should be fun. Ah, fridge race. Let's kill the bitches. I want go behind. I don't know why, but I love to be behind. I love the camera. You, you, you guys. Stop spacing around. Okay, annihilator. Bam. He's dead. For sure. Okay, next one. Ooh. Look, the Ferrari. Okay, what now? I'm just going to kill you. Then kill you again. No, I want the cows. No, combo. Wait, where is he? Stop. Oh, look. We have the bear. On a tight spot. Bear. Mr. Bear. There he is. Where did he go? There. Are you a goat or something? Feels like. He's smoking. I'm going to kill you later. Yeah. I want to kill those two. The bear should beat last because he's the strongest one. Grim! That on first. Lol. I'm smoking because of that. You ass. No! You ass man. Die. Come on. You. You. Let me. Bear. Who's there? Look who we found. Nice to see a Ferrari. Bombs away. Where are you going? Nah. Just go drive. I can't see shit. Oh, many people. Combo. Ah, ha, ha, ha. Can you guys stop bullying me? I want to get up. Fuck you. Nice jump. No. No. Funny that in real life the cars are like fabric and here they just hard. Oh, I killed the bear. Lol. Oh, Mr. Little One. And bam. Oh, recovery. How's Little One doing? No. Anyone around here? Ah, Grim. Let's kick his ass. Come on. It doesn't run though. How bitchy. I'll go to the next one I guess then. If he just don't want to. Where is he? Why all the way over here? Oh, it's you. Why is he so hard to kill? Come on. It's just a little ass. Ah, he's dead now. Fee fa fa fa. Come on, drive better. Meow. You are dead. Not big surprise. Speed. Go back up. I'm going to kill that one. Because the Grim don't run too. Fuck the Grim. I can't do this jump. Oh, it's not jump. Mine. Bam. I killed the Grim. Oh. Nice. That was luck. That was basically luck. Lol. With Acme and Invulnerable. No rank? Oh man. A little bit. Let's go to the next one. No, oh yeah. Should I do races? I'm gonna try the race. and I hope we can play next round a new map or new race, new track. I hope so. It's a race. I want to go further, but I can't. I need to go behind. I'm going to kill him. That's why I'm going to be behind him. I want to kill them. They are easy to kill. Those two. The little ones. Oh, yeah. Time bonus. I needed that. I needed the time bonus. Almost out of time. Come on, come on, come on, come on. No, 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 no. Fuck. Are you smoking? Come on. You know smoking is not allowed. You ass. Don't be a streak. Sorry, streak. Oh, much time. He died. I want to do a race, but I don't do it. Let me go, count slash. Count slash. Stop it. Thank you for the checkpoint though. Let me kill this lady. And this. Hey, let me give extra money then. No, you don't. Thanks. Instant handbrake. Bouncy. Not going to get me. No! You ass! I hate it. Come on. That was the last jump. Let's go further to the adventure. Oh, wasted. Can I no then? I want to waste them all. They're a good place here. No, basically good place. Yeah. Ooh, black one. Turbo. Turbo. Why turbo? Okay. Oh, he's almost dead. Let's kick his ass. Nice one. Let's go to 5. Should have enough money and enough speed for sure. I killed those. Instant repair. Wow. Good to know. He did not die from that. He's cheating. He's stunned. Why is he stunned? Can't move. What you doing? Oh, he died. The last one is the Grim. The Grim Reaper. Oh, I didn't know there was an instant Reaper, so oh yeah, I said I should avoid every power. Nah, not almost every power up, but really sometimes I needed the power up. So yeah. Where did he go? Down here? Hey. Get back here. You. He died. I was trying to race. Yeah, nice one. I get some money out of it. But I killed them all basically. Didn't die. Now I'm going to race, I hope. Please. Don't be a mini game. Come on. Load. Load the fuck on. Ooh, it's loaded. Let's go. I want to go. Back. How do I do the race here? All I can do is kill some cars beforehand. Oh wait, down there are cows. I'm just waiting a little bit. Now I go. Cows! No! You fucking Grim! You're not the Grim Reaper, you're the Ass Reaper. Yeah, let me kill the annihilator. Not cows, annihilator. They're almost the same. Fuck you. Yeah. Stay there. What's this? Turbo. Nice. Bam. Okay then. Okay, going to the race then. Oh, Ferrari. Come here, my boy. Ferrari. Ferrari, what are you doing? Now I do the loop. Yeah, oh shit, but you did it. Don't be your ass about yourself, you did it. No, fuck off. Should I kill the cars? Nah. Hey, this is a stupid thing. If you see, you need to do a loop. No, not a loop, like a big roundabout. But you can just go here. That's stupid. I want to kill some. I don't want to race. You. You. Oh. One is smoking. Oh, two are smoking. I killed them all. Bam. Oh, before that, I killed the Grim. And then going to the one lab. Come on. Grim, let me kill you. Don't be a dick. Oh, you died then. Nice try. Yeah, Graham. Let me be. Oh, you. I try to try to kill the Ferrari again. Let me kill the Reaper. The Grim. The Ash Reaper. No. You then? That did nothing. Are you serious? They're just in a good spot to kill them. Going head on then. Okay then. You Buster. His name is Buster or something? Don't know anymore. Still not dead. Oh, I'm taking you with me. Bam. He died. Let's do the race. The little one can follow me. Think that's not the problemo. Let's go. New. Yes. Shitty cow, he's shitting. Nice. Yeah, don't scream and walk away. Okay, come here, little boy. Where are you? Oh, head on. You smoking? You smoking? Without my permission? Bam. See, it's not the front head on. It's the wheels. If you go like, let's spin it a little bit. It's a little bit head on, but if you go on that, on one of those wheels, like this, he's going to die. No, more damage, not to die. Possible to die. I know. Okay. I did not succeed. Fuck. Okay, the next one is a race. I hope. Yeah, I'm going to race this one. Should be. The music is head on. Oh yeah, about the repair challenge. It was not really my idea on the first place, the no repair challenge. I played with Jonathan, a good friend of mine. Carmageddon max damage. And he had the idea for no repair because in single player, if you play first computer, they don't repair. Yeah, should be fun if we test it out. And sure on, we played it and we played it and it's fun. And sometimes we play even multiplayer with the other Karma boys. It's fun. Oh man. It's really fun. No! Yeah, nice one. I don't want to. No. Okay. Next. This should be hard. This is hard. Really hard. Oh god. I see a card that I don't really like. In Karma 2, I don't really like. Let's kill them first. Hey! Stop that. Random. It's not random. I get always turbo with that. Didn't know head should be that hard. No, yeah, I have no repair, so I think that's what I get. Look at that, the twister, the nipple twister. Countless is smoking. Come on, no. Any power-ups here? No, of course not. Why should they? I think if I get my first power-up, well, not first power-up, I mean my my skill, my better thing. Come on. Get it on time. No! Yeah, oh shit. Okay then. Nice. Okay, one more try. I'm really bad. Okay, first of all, I'm going to grab that. Then kill the people. Then try to kill the cars. No, first the people, then the thing. Where are you? I see already running over there. No, you're not the flag man. Where did the flat man go? Flag man. Nice, some power-ups. Oh, they already collide. What are you doing, Councillors? That's not the place for you. Fuck you. Extra style bonus, nice. Come here, Tashita. Tashita. No. Fuck you, Tashita. Councillors then. Funny that there's nothing. Oh, someone is trying to do something right there. Whee! Nice. Bam. Nothing. Why are you almost dead? My Countess is almost dead. Come here, my boy. Boy? That's my boy. Find me. What are you doing, Grim? I'm not... No, I don't want you. Fuck. Thanks for the boost, I guess. I needed that. I think I should go to the labs. I still need money. Die, please. Yeah, Die. Die. No, no, die. Die, 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 die. Okay, Sheeta, you are my target now. Kill them. Nice. What? You little ass. You. Come on. Don't do that. Don't do that. No, I don't like it. I don't like it. No, I don't like it. Go. Go down, yeah. Yeah, good, you're almost dead. Oh. Time. Nice. I want to repair, but I can't. Many. Nice. I'm going to do something. Not the best idea. But yeah, I still want to race, but I don't do that. I'm an ass. I can't see the bomb so well. Of the smoke. But I can do something like... this and invulnerability. Okay, this one then. These are some nice pedestrian spawn. What are you doing? Come here, Grim. Grimmy. Get on. I'm not coming. You ass fuck. Let's go then. Am I dead? No. This is so hard. I think I need a repair. No, it's going to be less try. Go. Who is it? Oh, Grimmy. Come on, Grimmy. Grimmy. I want to repair so badly, you know. I can't. I need to do the race. And kill some people on the way. This is stupid. Possible that I'm going to make it 2 parts. Or something. Because it took long. Literally long. So yeah. Yeah. Lol, I killed him. That's not possible. Oh, my smoke. I stopped smoking. Nice. Only these 2 fuckers. Should be good. Where is he? I want Grimmy. Where's Grimmy? Grimmy is there. So I'm 2. I'm not fast at all. And he's going down. Yeah, mommy. Mommy. Oh, look at him. For speed. If I push him. No, 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 no. Okay. There's easy ways to kill them. I need a head on. I'm trying to push to that man over there. On this one. It's possible, I think. Ha 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 ha. Where's the other guy? All the way over there. Look at my speed. Look, 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 he's coming. No. No! Oh fuck. Can I still drive? Yeah, I can still drive. But not that fast anymore. Where is he going? Come on. I should go and try to find some money. Other things. Still something. Where is he going? Come on, my boy. No, I'm not going to do it 2 parts. What should I? There should be something, right? Hello. Is this the end? Am I going to fall down? No. There is nothing. Literally nothing. Let's go full speed. Where is he going? Go after me, you fuck. Why is he not after me again? What's this? Damage. Ooh. No! Come here. No, my damage boost. Fuck. No. Come on, let me save this. Let me save this. Oh wow. Yeah. Nothing what I can do. Stop running away! Come on! No, I'm dead. Stop running away. Come on. Come on. Come on. No! Fuck. Wait, what? I did almost nothing. I died. I fucking died. This is bullshit. Oh. No. Okay, guys, I'm going leave. I'm going to stop this part. It was basically fun. I I only almost got just money, nothing more, and yeah. So I see you guys next week then. Bye bye.